regarding unique creator style is simple and unpolished. That is, putting myself anywhere. And I find it's actually workable and functional, especially when I was a junior content creator. In this video, I'm going to share with you how I make those personal stickers so you can practice and put yourself anywhere in your creative projects. Stay with me, it's easy and fun.
Dory Show!
Hi everybody, welcome back to this channel. I'm Dory, your creative buddy here. You know, content industry is changing so quick. So here I just want to share my ideas, my practice, my experience, my works, just everything about content creation. And we can create a better content together, right? Please subscribe this channel. It means a lot to my work. Today I got my computer. I got my computer with me. Why? Because today is a tutorial video. We are going to have fun together. We are going to make something that is super fun, super cute, super creative. Ooh, sounds good. Yes.
Back in the old days, cameras and editing software were not as advanced as they are now, so stop motion was the primary technique in making animations. Stop motion is an animated filmmaking technique in which objects are physically manipulated in small increments between individually photographed frames, so that they will appear to exhibit independent motion or change when the series of frames is played back.
That means we don't need to make videos. We just need to take each, individual photos and connect those photos together and make them into a video, if that makes sense. Recent years, I just found people start to reuse stop motion. I think simply just because stop motion is very fun to watch. But making stop motion can be very time consuming. We are not going to do that, okay? We just want to keep things simple, okay? So today, I just want to share you the easiest way, at least I think it's the easiest way, to make a personal sticker by using stop motion techniques. I call it a sticker because it's very versatile. It's just like sticker. You can just put this anywhere. Imagine if you got a social media post, you can just, put your personal sticker. Add a little bit of you vibe into it. Very fun, very cute. Also very... And we don't need to take thousands of photos. I think 3 or 4 is enough. Maximum 5. You can take 10 if you want. Okay, get yourself settled in front of your computer. Let's just dive into it. First, let's find a comfortable place and take some photos. Select the 2 to 4 pieces that you like, then import all of your files into Final Cut Pro. Oh, by the way, this video is not typically for Final Cut beginners, but as long as you know how to create an event, how to create a project, and how to make a cut, how to put things together, I believe you will be able to take this little tutorial. I understand maybe some of you just don't have the experience in using Final Cut. I've already put some extra learning resource in the description box. You're free to watch them first. It's really easy, so don't worry too much, okay? Drag all the photos into your Final Cut timeline. You can also switch their orders till you find your liked sequence. Let's just have a look. Do you like it? I think I like it. Yeah, I like it. Okay, let's just take this order. Okay, now we can start to work. Select a picture and apply draw mask into it. Now we're going to take our profile out. Be patient with this step, okay? And you don't need to make it perfect, okay? Okay, now I'm going to teach you a very useful shortcut. Some of you may think we're gonna do this one by one. No, we don't need to do that. We can just copy paste and then apply this effect into others, okay? Once you've cut out your profile, select that footage, then press Command+C. Then select another footage and press Option plus Command plus V. It will automatically apply draw mask effect into your selected files. So I guess you know what to do. The same method to the others. Let's have a look. Great! In order to easier my later process, now let's just make this sequence into 1 minute long. Select the whole sequence, then press Command plus C. Then move the red line into the end. Then press Command plus V to paste the sequence. Do 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 bang 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 bang. Now we're going to make the whole sequence into a compound clip. Making this into a compound clip will make your later process of using and decorating your sticker way more easier. Yes! The final step, it's time to have fun. You can add your favorite creative assets to decorate your stickers, such as change the background or add any other fun motions. My go-to place for those fun assets are in-bottle elements or motionary. As a content creator, of course, I understand looking for assets could be a very time-consuming process. So, I have thoughtfully organized some of my favorite assets into collections. Please check out the description box so that you can download those fun assets. You don't need to create everything by yourself, okay? Nowadays, there's a lot of solutions, especially in the digital world. We're just too busy and we can't do everything by ourselves. Oh, maybe I can make a video which just talks about introduce all the creative assets marketplace nowadays. Let me know. Leave your comments below if you want to have those kind of videos, okay? Leave all the research on me. You can just take away. Happy to share. No problem. Oh, also, once you finish your work, don't forget to share with me. Okay, I hope you guys had fun and feel this video is useful to watch. If you got your own creation, don't forget to share with me. You can tag me through Instagram, TikTok, do whatever suits you the best. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. I will see you in our next video. Have a great day. Bye.